It was 2002, February 3. It was raining and suddenly flooded, and the little child drowned. 10 years later.
Mauligar, you're right. Last month we told you baby was fine, but it's now February 3.
But this apartment is already old. This has been standing since 6 years. My cousin in America told me even I, myself, is fixing the same.
Alright, but this month you'll have to pay.
My child, your father is here. I just got home.
Grigor said, not noticing he's talking to no one. Turns out he's using drugs because of stress. And then suddenly, he fainted.
Dad, when did you come back for me? You said you will buy food, but you let the doctors adopt me. They made my life living hell! They feed me poison. You will pay for what you done!
It was now 2007, January 1 in the morning.
My child, stay with Mrs. and Mr. De La Cruz. I will buy some food, then we can eat your favorite sardines.
Oh, really? I will prepare the table.
1 hour has passed.
That's still taking so long.
Angela. Oh, hi. It seems like your father is ill. What about food? Keep your mind. There will be a problem for today.
But
No.
no.
Don't be such a drama king.
John then got home drunk.
Oh, you're here.
Who are you? No, I think, right?
No, I'm not.
No, I don't anything. That's why your father don't love you.
No, I'm not lazy.
Oh, you fucking bought for me, huh?
Do it. Do it. Slap me. You're lazy. I'm not lazy.
You ignore fool.
Ha. How can I forget if I remember with the people my father trusted? I don't know what to do. Treating me like an animal, and my car didn't even nothing. I was a child who was served and beaten up. Oh, Father, Father, where are you? And you've been looking. Where are you? Even are you your excuse that you leave? My father, Father. one that I love your child. I think twice and why did you do my own father? I am still the one you love.
Meanwhile, Rigor suddenly choked on blood. His eyes slowly flickered open as he sees Angela. Angelo then realized that his father isn't so bad. He just did it for his son's sake. The real villain were the ones who tortured his father.